Let's take flight.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Let's Take Flight. And again, I'm super excited. I'm in my little office and I got something very special in the mail today. I'm super excited. And as you can see, I'm not even going to waste no time. American Express Aspire card has just arrived and has made its grand entrance. So I'm super excited to finally get a chance to experience that diamond life. I can't wait. So this just came in the mail. I just applied for this card not too long ago. I applied for this card and got the 175,000 Hilton point offer. Right? So of course I gotta hit $6,000 in 6 months in order to get that. So I should be good. I'm gonna just throw the whole kitchen sink at this card between now and 6 months. Because I don't have any super high spend coming up. I did a lot of my major spending already. I may have a little small tax bill. Maybe I'll throw that on here. But other than that, I'm gonna just put most of my regular spend on there, hit that 6,000, and then I'll go back to my core setup. But let's not talk too much and waste too much time. Let's see what this card looks like. And I like this box. As you can see, they made the box look like the card because the card is, I think, around about this color, the navy blue color. You can see how they got the "for the stay" kind of engraved right there. It looks pretty cool, right? Really nice. Exceptional stays and experiences await with your Hilton Honors American Express Aspire card. And nice little box. Hilton Honors. As you can see, it has one of these little strips here. Nice. Of course, I'm going to have to block out some of my sensitive information here. Got that cracked open. Whoa, okay, so, dang, usually I don't like showing the car up front, but damn, the car's right here. But there it is. Hilton Aspire. See if we can get it out of this little compartment thing that is in. Let's see if we can get this thing out. I don't know why I keep. Come on, you can do it. Ah, okay. Nice heavy card. It's definitely metal. Nice. Look at that. You zoom in on that. Zoom in, but really nice card. You can feel it in your hands. It definitely has a heavy feel to it, a luxury feel to it. It doesn't feel as heavy as the, let's just say, the American Express Platinum card. But it's definitely heavier than the Surpass for sure. I don't even think it's heavier than the Chase Sapphire Reserve either. But it might be somewhere. It might be right under the Chase Sapphire Reserve. You know what? It feels like the gold card. Feels like the American Express gold card. Yep. But I like it. You zoom in, you can see how they really got the. Ooh, look at that. I'm guessing that says "for the stay." It's really small, so you can't see it, but it's there. Really nice card. It says "for the stay," really small, and it's actually raised print. You can feel it. So, really nice card. Y'all give me y'all opinion. Do y'all like this card, this Aspire card better, or this Aspire card better? This is the new one. That's the old one. Get in the comment section. Let me know which one y'all like. But let's go into the benefits package, shall we? Now, I like how they really like the packaging on this card. American Express is usually known to have great packaging on their cards, especially the high-end cards. You know, the Platinum card and, of course, the Aspire card. And I'm pretty sure the Marriott Brilliant card has great packaging as well. So here we go. Welcome to the card that unlocks extraordinary travel. Okay, so they're not going to actually give us all of the benefits of the card in the pamphlet. So it looks like we have to actually scan the barcode and do all of that. So maybe what I'll do is I'll put some of the benefits on the screen so you can see it. Yep, there you go, right there. This card is going to give you 14x back at Hilton. It's going to give you 7x back on US dining. It's going to also give you 7x back at airlines directly with the airline or with Amex travel. And then, of course, 3x back on everything else. So if you ask me, when it comes to earning points on regular everyday purchases, the Surpass card is the way to go. But when you want those good, sweet Hilton benefits, this is what you want. Now, what I plan to do is I plan to use both of these cards together because I have the Surpass card. So I'm gonna use this card and the Surpass card. So my Surpass card is going to be the card that I'm gonna use for some of my everyday purchase, gas, dining, stuff like that. And you know that card still gives you $50 every quarter. So I'm gonna still use that card. I'm gonna probably earn more points with that card than this card, but this is where the benefits are gonna come into play. I actually have a trip coming up in Thailand. I plan on going to Koh Samui. I plan on going to the Comrade in Koh Samui. And really nice property. But before I get there, I want to be able to take advantage of platinum status. One of the reasons why I got the card. The other reason why I got the card is, again, I told y'all before in another video, I'm still planning on the Maldives trip. The Comrade and the Maldives. That's going to be the aspirational travel. I definitely want to have platinum, diamond status when I get out there. So this card right here is going to give me 175,000 Hilton points. So that's going to help me to get to the Maldives. Again, I'm almost at 400,000 points right now. So once I get to 175, I'll be at close to 600,000 because I got to spend 6,000 on this in 6 months, which should be fairly easy. Even though I don't have a bunch of major bills coming, this is 6,000 in 6 months is still pretty easy. I'm just gonna put all of my expenses on this for the next 5 months, really, and I should be able to hit that fairly easy. Welcome to your Hilton Honors American Express Aspire card. Enjoy a distinctive way to travel. When it comes to travel and everything in between, you expect the best. That's why we've designed this card. As a card member, you enjoy a more seamless, enhanced travel experience. And all along the way, your card will unlock valuable rewards by turning your everyday purchases into more exceptional stays at Hilton. We're excited to start this journey with you, and thank you for your membership. Things looking up.
Oh yeah, and before I forget, let me go over some of the other amazing benefits that comes with this credit card. You're going to get a $400 Hilton Resort credit. Now this is broken up into two $200 credits. So semi-annually, every 6 months you get $200, and that $200 is specifically for Hilton Resorts. So just make note of that. This is not any Hilton. This is specifically Hilton Resorts. When you go on the Hilton website, it'll give you a list of all the resorts that this credit will work for. This is, any type of money you spend at the resort, you should get that $200 credit back on your card. This card also comes with a free night. Us in this community love the Hilton free nights because there's no cap. You can use it at any Hilton as long as it's a standard room. So you can use it at a low budget Hilton or a very expensive Hilton. But why would you want to use it at a Hampton Inn when you can use it at a Waldorf Astoria? So we love the free nights at Hilton. You also get a $200 flight credit. Now this flight credit is broken up into 4 $50 statement credits. Now this is actually a better credit than the platinum card, in my opinion, because this is for any airline. Any airline directly, you're going to get the $50 back. Or any flight that you purchase on Amex.com, Amex Travel, you get the $50 back. And last but not least, you get the $209 Clear credit. Now, I have the platinum card, so I already have Clear with the platinum card. But I do find Clear to be a very valuable service because I use it coming out of Atlanta, and I do find myself getting through security a lot quicker. Also has a $100 property credit. Now, this property credit is specifically for Waldorf Astoria and Conrad properties. And it's a 2-night minimum. And if I'm not mistaken, you can't use points. You have to pay for these 2 nights outright to be able to get that $100 credit. So just keep that in mind. And it also comes with Emerald Club executive status at National Car Rental. And of course, no foreign transaction fees. So in my opinion, this is a great card if you enjoy staying at Hilton properties.
Look at this card one last time. Look at that. Such a beautiful card. And again, it is definitely metal for sure. And while we're sitting here, let's see if we can get a weight. So definitely a metal card for sure. So I'm just gonna rock out with this one. I don't plan on applying for no other cards until after I hit this sign-on bonus. What card's gonna be next? I don't know. I'm thinking it's probably gonna be American Express Blue Business Plus. The Blue Business Plus is a card that I definitely want in my wallet as a long-term play. I'm hoping I can somehow get a higher sign-on offer than that $15,000. I really hate to apply for that card for only 15,000 American Express points, but I mean, I don't know. I might not have a choice because I'm hearing inklings of some people out there getting that card for 75,000. I mean, I don't know how y'all guys are getting targeted for that. I would love to get targeted for that, but I don't know. I may have to open up a business checking with them first and let them see me putting a lot of money in and out, and maybe I'll get targeted for that 75,000 offer. I don't know, but yeah, that's probably one of the next cards I want, and I do eventually want to get that Rakuten card with American Express, and then after I get that, I do want to get my feet wet in the city ecosystem. And as you can see right here, this is a great offer. Even though the card is little, but this is a decent offer. 90,000 American Airline Advantage miles, $5,000 in 4 months. I really do want to eventually get a city card. Now I'm gonna tell you what I think I want for my city setup. The first card I want to get is that Strata Premier, the gray card. I definitely can add that to my arsenal as a long-term play. And then I want a city custom cash. And then I want an advantage card. I want one of these. Now I think I want the executive card. I know it's a really expensive card. But I don't know. A card like this might be all I need. I don't know, but we'll see. But meanwhile, we appreciate y'all time. I am now an Aspire card holder, and I will definitely keep y'all guys posted on how I'm taking advantage of these perks. So y'all get in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you got any other videos as it pertains to travel or credit cards, hit me up in the comment section, and I'll see if I can put my 2 cents in. But meanwhile, we appreciate your time again. Safe travels.